Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a comprehensive accessory kit designed specifically for the Insta360X3 action camera. This isn't just any bundle of random add-ons. It's a thoughtfully curated collection that promises to keep your precious X3 safe, secure, and looking its best. We're talking full body protection from screen protectors to lens guards, a silicone case, and even a handy carrying case. Let's unpack everything and see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions? Everything feels well made. The silicone case is a standout. It's flexible, grippy, and fits the X3 like a glove. Crucially, it allows access to all the ports and buttons, including the charging port, so you don't have to constantly remove the case. Plus, it comes with little lens covers that provide an extra layer of defense against scratches and bumps. They snap on securely and stay put, which is a big plus for active use. The tempered glass screen protectors are another essential component. They're crystal clear, so they don't interfere with the touchscreen functionality, and they're easy to apply thanks to the included cleaning cloth and dust removal sticker. The installation guide is straightforward, even for beginners. No annoying bubbles or misalignments here. Now let's talk about the lens guards. These are a must-have for any action camera user. They protect the delicate lenses from scratches, dust, and even minor impacts. The kit includes guards for both the front and back lenses, ensuring complete protection. They're transparent, so they don't affect image quality, and they fit snugly over the lenses without any wiggle room. The carrying case is a nice bonus. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to toss in a backpack or travel bag. The EVA material and plush lining provide excellent cushioning, keeping your X3 safe from bumps and jostles. The inclusion of a buckle is a clever touch, allowing you to attach the case to a belt loop or backpack strap for quick access. No more fumbling around in your bag for your camera. But how does this kit perform in real-world scenarios? I took the X3 out for a spin with the full kit installed, and I was impressed. The silicone case provided a secure grip even with sweaty hands, and the lens guards kept the lenses pristine despite some close calls with branches and rocks. The screen protectors did their job admirably, preventing any scratches or scuffs on the touchscreen. And the carrying case proved to be a convenient and reliable way to transport the camera. One minor nitpick is that the silicone case can attract a bit of dust and lint. It's nothing a quick wipe can't fix, but it's worth mentioning. Overall, though, this accessory kit is a fantastic value. It provides comprehensive protection for your Insta360X3, ensuring it stays in top condition for all your adventures. Whether you're a seasoned action camera user or just starting out, this kit is a worthwhile investment. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, knowing your expensive camera is well protected. The added convenience of a carrying case and the ease of use of all the components make this kit a true winner. If you're looking for the best way to protect your Insta360X3, look no further. This kit has you covered.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.